On your Apple iPhone, there's a feature called Personal Hotspot. What this means is that when you turn on Personal Hotspot, others can use your mobile internet data on their devices, like phones or computers. So, if you want to share your connection, you can easily do that. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the Wi-Fi Personal Hotspot on your iPhone to share your internet with others. For this, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see an option called Personal Hotspot. Tap on Personal Hotspot, and here you'll find the option Allow Others to Join. Sometimes it's turned off by default. If you want to enable the hotspot, just turn on Allow Others to Join. As soon as you turn it on, Personal Hotspot will be enabled. Now, on the other person's phone or computer, they just need to turn on their Wi-Fi. In their Wi-Fi list, they'll see your device name. If you're not sure what your device name is, you can see it right here. They just tap on your device name, then enter the password. You can see the password right here on your screen. Once they enter this password, they'll be able to use your iPhone's internet data on their phone or PC. That's it. This is how you can easily turn on Personal Hotspot on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.